Hi guys, so I am going to show you how to work out quadratic function by completing the square. So let's get started. Number 1 like we got this number to work out. So we have to complete the square. First of all, we must see if the coefficient of x squared is plus 1. If it is plus 1, we can work directly. So in this case, it is plus 1. We can start directly. So we will write it like this. Always remember this formula. So this x squared, we will write it as x. And the plus 2x, the coefficient of x is 2. So the 2, we will divide it by 2. We get 1 plus 1 minus, again we put the plus 1 again here, and the plus 5 at last, and we write it like it, right, this, and the minus 1 plus 5, and this remain like this, and the minus 1 plus 5 is plus 4. Let's do another one like this one. The coefficient of x squared is plus 1, so we can start always like this. We must remember this one. So the x squared, we write like x, and the plus 6. Coefficient of x is 6. 6 divided by 2, we get 3. Plus 3, again 3 here, and at last the plus 11. Like this again. Minus 3 to the power of 2, we get minus 9 plus 11. We write it again like this. Minus 9 plus 11, we get plus 2. Let's do another one in which the coefficient of x power 2 is not plus 1. We do one like this. So this one, the coefficient of x squared is not plus 1, it is 2. We have to remove this 2 so that we can complete the square. So let's remove this 2. We put 2 and a large bracket. This coefficient x squared like this. And the plus 8x, we do not write plus 8x because we have removed 2 outside. We divide plus 8x by 2. We get 4x. Again plus 1 divided by 2, because we have removed 2, we have to divide by 2. We get half. Let's write it as half. Now we can complete the square inside only. Inside only, because only inside we can complete the square, and the 2 is out, so inside the coefficient of x squared is plus 1. Let's forget the 2 outside and complete the inside one. We write it like this again. Remember this formula. The x squared, we write it as x, and the plus 4, coefficient of x is 4. 4 divided by 2, we get 2. We plus 2 here, 2 again here, and plus half again. And don't remember to close the equation like this. Two again here, we write this one as it is. 2 to the power of 2 is minus 4 plus half. Minus 4 plus half. How much is it? So minus 4 plus half, we get minus 7 over 2. Now there is a 2 inside, we have to multiply it here and here. So let's write this again here, then we will continue. So it is like this. We have to multiply here and here too. So this multiply by this, we write it like this. We can't go further with this because it will not be a good calculation. And 2 multiplied by this one, 2 multiplied by minus 2 over 2, this is cut off and we get minus 7. We write minus 7 like this, so it is complete. Let's do one last one, like this one. Four x plus 2 minus 7x squared. We have to rearrange this one, the minus 7x squared first, the plus 4x second, and last the plus 2. Now we can complete the square with this one. So the coefficient of x squared is minus 7. It is not plus 1. We have to make it plus 1. So let's remove minus 7 outside and place this x squared inside. Plus 4x divided by 7. Divide by 7. We write it like this. And the plus 2 divided by minus 7. Write it like this. Again, we have to simplify this inside one. Now we can work out inside. Forget the minus 7 outside. We will deal with it later. Remember this formula. I know I am repeating it because this is very important. This x squared, you write as x minus 4 over 7x. The coefficient of x is minus 4 over 7. So we divide it by 2 again. Minus 4 over 7 divided by 2. We get minus 2 over 7. You write it here, minus 2 over 7. Minus 2 over 7 again here. And the minus 2 over 7 here again. You write it again. We cannot simplify this one. Minus 2 over 7 to the power of 2. We get 4 over 49. Not to the square. So let's simplify this one on our calculator. We get minus 19 over 49. Sorry for that. I forgot to put this. So we have to multiply this here and this here. So we get minus 7 x to over 7 the square, and this is multiplied by this. This got 7 1. We get 18 over 7 minus 18 over 7. So this is completed. Thank you.